Hey everyone, it's Thursday, November 19th. Today you are going to be doing a counter argument paragraph, and you get to choose whether you want to do it on protesting, which you looked at yesterday, or if you want to do it with the death penalty, which you looked at Monday and Tuesday. So depending on which topic you pick, you'll want to have that pro-con chart from yesterday up, or you'll want to have the death penalty investigation sheet up from Monday and Tuesday. Today, when you're writing this, make sure that you are integrating your quotes. I want you guys to try and use colon integration so that I can see if you are understanding it, but you are also allowed to use comma integration as well. So, with a counter argument paragraph, it means that you understand the people and their arguments who disagree with you. And then knowing those arguments is going to help you be able to knock them down using solid logic and facts. So for this assignment, you're going to practice doing that. So the first thing you need to do is decide what you believe about your topic. So you'll put that right here in this box. Then you need to figure out what other people who disagree with you, what they might say. So you'll put their argument in this box, and then what you do here is you explain why that thinking is wrong or why that argument doesn't hold up. So this is the part where you argue against them. Then you'll do it again. So you'll put in their argument again, so what your opposing side thinks or what people who disagree with you think. And then in this part here, you'll type in why that's wrong. So why that doesn't make sense, why that's incorrect. Then you'll include a third one. You'll do the same thing again. And then once you're done, then you'll put this all together in a paragraph. Counter argument paragraph format is right here. So you'll have your topic sentence, then you introduce opposition argument 1, which you already have up in the box. And then you'll have a transition word. So this will transition you from their argument to what you think. So the transition words are down here, where you might say yet, or on the other hand, or research indicates, however. Those are all going to be, you're going to say those in your counter argument. To introduce your opposition, you're going to use these words over here. So some people believe, or one popular belief is, the opposition argues. So that's how you'll introduce the opposition, and then this is how you'll transition from their opposition to your counter argument point. Then you need to make sure that in your explanation of why they are wrong, you need to have a quote that supports what you think. So the quote should always support what you are thinking, not what they think. This quote has to be integrated and cited, so don't forget that. Like I said before, use either comma integration or colon integration. Try to use colon integration at least once so that I can see if you understand how to do that correctly. Remember to cite, you need the author's last name and the page number if you have one. So the author of the article, not the author of who said it. Then you'll need analysis. So this is the part where you're going to explain how your quote really proves your point. Make sense? Then you'll do the whole thing over again. You'll look at the second counter argument or the second opposition argument, and then you'll attack that argument too. Then you'll conclude why your side is correct. So today you need to fill out this sheet, and then you need to type up your counter argument paragraph on a new blank document. Since this is kind of a lot, you have until tomorrow night at 11:59 to turn in this counter argument paragraph. We're doing it because one of your requirements for your final for this unit is to create a counter argument paragraph. So I will be looking through them and giving you some feedback so that when you do your final, you know how to fix it up. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.